Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's 2-Minute Tuesday, and the topic this week is holster wings. I'm gonna share with you guys what they are, how to use them, and how not to use them, as well as whether or not you really wanna have one on your holster. So let's get started. The holster wing works in conjunction with pressure from a belt or pressure from something like the Enigma. If you're planning to just clip your holster to a stretchy material like leggings or a stretchy jean, you're not gonna get really the same or even close to the same kind of results that you would get if you're using the wing properly in conjunction with pressure from a belt or something like the Enigma. So the two wings that I see most often are the dark wing and the mod wing. The thing about the mod wing is that it is an adjustable wing. So it comes typically with two separate heads, and you can adjust how much grip tuck you wanna get with the different size heads. The thing that I also like about the dark wing though is that it has an angle to it, and I just find that that works really well with my body. I find that I like the kind of grip tuck I get with it, but it's not adjustable, so that's something to keep in mind. Another thing that I wanted to mention about the dark wing and the angle that it has to it is that when it makes contact with your belt, it actually tips the holster this direction. So not only is it helping you to tuck the grip of your gun in, but it's also helping you to tuck the top of your gun in to help conceal your slide. Here you can see what the concealment looks like from the top down view when I'm not using a wing on my holster. And here you can see the major difference that the wing makes when it's making contact with my belt or something like the Enigma. It's going to tuck the grip of the gun in and give you a much higher level of concealment. Here I'm showing you what my concealment looks like in this generous t-shirt without a wing attached to my stretchy pants. And you can see the side of my grip and the top of my slide even poking through in this generous t-shirt. And here's what it looks like with the belt and the wing attachment. There's much less printing. You can just barely see the top of my rear sight. I hope this week's 2-Minute Tuesday was helpful for you guys. If you have any other topics or questions that you would like me to cover, please let me know down in the comments, and I'll see you guys in my next video.